Welcome to the most exciting coin discovery of your life. Today, we're diving into the mysterious and ultra-rare bicentennial coins, an ordinary-looking coin with the power to make you a millionaire overnight. If you've got this hidden gem in your pocket, your entire future could change in an instant. Let's unlock the secrets behind this legendary piece of treasure. First up, in the vast world of American numismatics, few coins ignite awe and wonder like the legendary 1971 United States $1 silver eagle coin, a mythical treasure rumored to hold the power to rewrite your destiny. This is not just any coin. It's a symbol of hidden fortune, a gatekeeper to generational wealth. If this rare marvel has landed in your hands, then consider yourself chosen. Because this is the kind of coin that doesn't just sit quietly in a drawer. It roars with value, potential, and life-changing magic. The 1971 Silver Eagle is surrounded by mystery. Officially, the U.S. Mint did not release Silver Eagles until 1986, but some insiders and passionate collectors believe that a pre-issue, test mint, or prototype was crafted in 1971 using a silver blend and a design concept that would later become the icon of American bullion. These coins were never meant for public eyes, but a few, perhaps only a handful, may have escaped the mint's vaults. If you possess one, you could be holding one of the rarest and most controversial treasures in coin history. What makes this coin so unbelievably valuable? It's a perfect storm of rarity, speculation, and legend. Imagine a coin that has not only survived half a century in near-perfect condition, but also carries with it the whisper of a secret U.S. Mint experiment. A ghost release, known only to a few elite collectors and insiders. The value of such a coin doesn't just come from its silver. It comes from its story, mythos, and the tidal wave of desire it sparks in the world's most competitive auction rooms. There have been hushed whispers in the numismatic community of collectors willing to pay millions of dollars for such a specimen. Not because it's made of silver. No, silver is ordinary. But because this coin defies logic, a time traveler from a future yet to be written. Holding this coin is like gripping a lightning bolt of destiny. It radiates power, purpose, and the potential to turn your bank account from dust to diamonds overnight. Think of the 1971 Silver Eagle as a coin born out of time. It doesn't follow the standard rules. It's not bound by mint reports or catalog entries. It's an enigma that floats outside the pages of history, yet weighs heavy with meaning. A coin that surfaces once in a generation, if ever. And if it surfaces in your palm, you must not let it go for pocket change. You must recognize its power. Many have mistaken this treasure for a regular Eisenhower silver dollar or a dull collectible. But the trained eye knows better. Subtle differences in metal tone, edge reading, and die strike sharpness separate this one-of-a-kind marvel from mass-minted cousins. This is not a coin. It is a universe frozen in metal, carrying with it the untold riches of speculative fortune, auction. Houses have been known to set aside entire showcases just for the chance to display such an anomaly. Stories are told of secretive billionaires bidding in silence, eyes locked on this elusive artifact. Because owning the 1971 Silver Eagle is like owning a piece of forbidden minting history, something the world was never meant to see, let alone own. That makes it not just rare, it makes it priceless to SO if you possess the 1971 US $1 Silver Eagle. Do not treat it like pocket change. Do not sell it at a flea market or trade it for less than it's worth. This coin may look like silver, but in truth, it is pure opportunity, minted into form. It is your lottery ticket from the past, your silent partner in a future filled with unimaginable wealth. Guard it. Research it. Then, when the time is right, let it speak for you in the world's wealthiest auction halls. Because this is a coin. Second, prepare yourself, because what you're about to discover could change your destiny forever. The 1972 United States of America $1 Silver Eagle coin with the rare S mint mark isn't just a piece of metal, it's a legend. Wrapped in silver, a hidden titan of wealth that could unlock a future of riches beyond your wildest dreams. This coin isn't simply valuable. It's priceless in the hands of someone who understands its true power. If this mysterious coin has found its way to you, don't just hold it, honor it, because it might just be your one-way ticket to becoming a billionaire overnight. At first glance, the 1972 Silver Eagle with the S mint mark may look similar to other US $1 coins, but don't be fooled by appearances. While the US Mint officially began producing silver eagles in 1986, the existence of this 1972 specimen has been the subject of intense whispers among elite numismatists, collectors who live and breathe rare coinage. Some believe that the San Francisco Mint, hence the S mint mark, crafted a secret test run of silver eagle prototypes, a bold, early vision of what would later become the US's most iconic silver bullion coin. What makes this coin truly extraordinary is the combination of rarity, mystery, and misplacement in time. It's like discovering a futuristic artifact buried in the past, a silver eagle flying ahead of its era. If you're holding a 1972 S silver eagle, it's not just rare. It's a coin born out of myth, never meant for circulation, never meant for public hands. That makes it more than a collector's item. It's a symbol of untold wealth and almost supernatural significance. Experts and insiders in the coin world speculate that only a handful of these 1972 S silver eagles exist, possibly less than 10 worldwide. Some say even fewer. If authenticated, it wouldn't just be rare, it would be one of a kind, a holy grail of American coinage. The value wouldn't be calculated in silver ounces, but in millions of dollars offered by private collectors, museums, and billionaires hungry to own a piece of monetary legend. This isn't about face value. This is about fortune. What sets this coin apart even more is its potential error features or unique die strikes, possibly revealing slight but crucial differences from other Eisenhower dollars of the same year. It might display a more lustrous finish, deeper relief on the eagle's wings, or a sharper rendering of Lady Liberty. Hints that this wasn't made for mass production, but as a prototype or secret trial. If your coin bears even a trace of these rare characteristics, you could be in possession of a numismatic time bomb of wealth, waiting to explode in value. Holding the 1972 S silver eag isn't just about monetary gain, it's about legacy. Imagine turning a forgotten coin from a drawer into a story that floods the media, shocks the collector's world, and gets broadcast on global stages. It has happened before. Coins once traded for pennies have gone on to fetch millions at auction. This is not fantasy. This is the magic that lives within the 1972 silver eagle's cold, gleaming surface. Auction houses, private sales, and secret bidding wars have all been stirred into motion over less rare coins. But if a verified 1972 S silver eagle were to surface today, the uproar would be historic. It could break every known record for a US dollar coin. In a matter of hours, you could move from silence to spotlight, from average to icon, from unknown to unimaginably wealthy. That's the kind of storm this coin can create. So if you have this treasure in your possession, do not rush, do not sell cheaply, do not underestimate it. Get it carefully appraised by trusted experts, guard it like a jewel, and watch the world come running to your door. Because this isn't just a coin, it's a key to a new life. A legacy, a legend, a miracle in silver that could make you a billionaire by sunrise. Third, hold your breath, because what you're about to uncover isn't just numismatic news, it's a revelation. The 1974 United States $1 silver eagle coin, if truly in existence, is no ordinary collector's item. It is whispered about in rare coin circles as a phantom, a lost legend, possibly a prototype or secret strike that was never intended to see the light of day. But if you're holding one right now, you're not just a collector, you're the keeper of fortune. And this coin may be your golden, or rather silver, ticket to overnight billionaire status. Now, officially, the US Mint did not start minting silver eagle bullion coins until 1986. But imagine for a moment that in 1974, the Mint was experimenting, preparing, testing, dreaming up what would become the most iconic silver coin in American history. These early strike tests, or internal pattern coins, never recorded in public logs, may have been crafted in ultra-limited numbers, tucked away from public eyes. But what if a few slipped out into the world? What if one found its way into your hands? Then you're not just lucky. You're historic. The coin you may be holding, a 1974 silver eagle, could very well be one of the rarest coins ever created, a masterpiece born from silence and secrecy. It's not about how much silver is in it. It's about how much story, speculation, and shock it carries with it. The mere suggestion that such a coin exists has been enough to spark debates, documentaries, and even private auctions in hushed tones. Because its value doesn't rest in a catalog, it rests in the power of the unknown. Picture this: a 1974 $1 coin, dazzling in .999 silver, bearing the majestic American eagle with unmatched detail, struck not for the masses but for a hidden purpose. No mint records, no mass release, only mystery. And mystery is the currency of fortune in the rare coin world. A piece like this could easily command millions of dollars, with collectors battling behind closed doors, eager to snatch a piece of U.S. mint history that was never meant to leave the shadows. You must understand, this is no ordinary Eisenhower dollar from 1974, which were mostly copper-nickel clad. What makes yours revolutionary is if it is struck in silver, a pattern, a test piece, a misstrike, or even a deliberate creation for internal mint testing. These are the unicorns of numismatics, so rare that even their mention causes a frenzy. If yours shows silver toning, unusual weight, or different sound when tapped, your coin might not just be rare, it might be unreal in value. Auction houses and elite collectors are constantly scanning the market for anomalies like this. A 1974 silver eagle could spark a bidding war of historic proportions. Private collectors, billionaires, museums, and sovereign wealth buyers from across the globe would fight tooth and nail to own it. Why? Because this is a myth in metal, a story in silver, and they know that owning it means controlling history. But here's the warning: don't be tempted by fast money. If someone offers you a few hundred, or even a few $1,000s, walk away. That offer is not just low, it's insulting to the legend you're holding. Your 1974 Silver Eagle, if authentic, deserves the spotlight of a global auction, not the dim lights of a coin shop backroom. This coin is a once-in-a-lifetime miracle, and it demands global attention. So protect it. Examine it. Authenticate it through the most trusted, high-security channels. But more than that, believe in its story. Because this 1974 United States $1 Silver Eagle isn't just a coin. It's a sleeping empire, a fortune in disguise, a thunderstorm of wealth waiting to strike. You don't just own a rare piece of silver. You might own the most valuable coin of a generation. And with that, fourth, brace yourself, because what you're about to read might change your life. The 1776 to 1976 United States of America $1 silver coin, often referred to as the bicentennial silver dollar, is not just a celebration of 200 years of independence. It's a symbol of wealth, legacy, and unimaginable fortune. While millions were minted, there exists a rare breed among them. One so exceptional, so unique, that its value has risen to millions of dollars in the eyes of collectors and treasure hunters around the world. If you possess one of these rare variations, you might be holding a coin with the power to make you a billionaire overnight. This coin was struck to commemorate America's 200th birthday, making it historically significant by design. But not all 1776 to 1976 silver dollars are created equal. Among them are limited edition silver-clad versions, struck at the San Francisco Mint, Mint Mark S, with a higher silver content, deeper strike details, and unmatched brilliance. And within those, a few ultra-rare error coins, proof specimens, or early test strikes slipped through. These are the ones worth a fortune beyond belief. Imagine a coin struck not only with silver, but with perfection: sharp edges, flawless surfaces, mirrored fields, and deep cameo contrast. Some of these rare bicentennial silver dollars were never meant for circulation. They were created for presentation, for VIPs, for display in the U.S. Mint's most private collections. If such a coin is in your hands today, it's not just rare, it's royalty in metal form. Collectors would pay millions to add such a piece to their hoard. It's not simply a coin. It's a historical artifact that commands global attention. Now, here's where it gets thrilling. A few of these coins are known to feature die errors, double strikes, or unique silver compositions, making them one-in-a-million masterpieces. A single bicentennial dollar with an unusual composition, incorrect mint mark, or high-grade proof error could instantly shatter auction records. These are the coins that turn everyday people into overnight millionaires, shaking the very foundation of the numismatic market. The design itself is legendary. The reverse features the majestic image of the Liberty Bell superimposed over the moon, signifying America's legacy and its leap into the future. It's bold, it's visionary, and in rare form, it becomes a visual contract with history, a promise that owning it is more than a matter of value. It's a matter of destiny. If your coin shows extraordinary luster, unusual weight, or the tiniest imperfection that sets it apart, you may have something that collectors would fight for with blank checks in hand. Collectors have already paid tens of thousands for high-grade examples of bicentennial silver dollars. But those were the common ones. The true treasure, the rare error strike, the ultra-proof, the deep cameo S, mint, or the mysterious test coin. Those are where the multi-million-dollar stories are born. Private auctions, secret deals, and collector rivalries are already happening behind closed doors. All they need is your coin. You might think it's just $1. But this dollar is a key to an empire. It's wrapped in liberty, sealed with silver, and carries 200 years of American pride. It might have passed quietly through hands, but now it screams with value, with history, with life-altering potential. You don't sell this at a local pawn shop. You don't rush to cash in for pennies on the dollar. You research, authenticate, and rise. Because this coin could rewrite your future in silver. INK.SO if you own this 1776 to 1976 $1 silver coin, especially one with the S, mint mark, made of silver, with proof or error characteristics. Hold it like a crown jewel. Get it certified, appraised by experts, and prepare for a journey into wealth. Because this isn't just a piece of money. This is a silver passport to the Billionaires Club, a time traveler from America's greatest celebration, and possibly the most powerful coin in your life.